Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a filter on Mastodon, so let's get started. First we're gonna have to go to our settings. We're gonna do that by tapping the icon in our top right corner. Over here we're gonna slide down to the boring zone and we're gonna click on Accounts Settings. Now we're gonna click on Continue. When we're here, we're gonna click on the three stripes in our top right corner. We're gonna select the option Filters. It's right below Follows and Followers. So as you can see, we have no filters, so let's add a new one. First, we're gonna add the title to the filter, for example, warning. Next, we can select when the filter can expire. For example, we can set it for 30 minutes, an hour, 6 hours, 12 hours, 1 day, or 1 week, or never. So let's set it to 1 week. So next, you're gonna select where you don't want the thing to display. So you can go and select homes and lists or notifications, public timelines, conversations, profiles, so you want to be protected from something everywhere on this app. So then you can select whether you want to hide it with a warning or hide it completely. So we're gonna leave it with a warning so you know that there's something there. And now you're gonna add a keyword or phrase. For example, you want to be protected from nudity. Gonna click on done. And now we're gonna save the new filter. So as you can see, the new filter has been added and it expires in 7 days, and you're gonna be protected in your home and lists, notifications, public timelines, conversations, and profiles. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!